Hi, I'm Harrison Hunkin, and this is the incredible Ben Stamatovich. You might know him as the drone way online, our 2023 Brisbane Truck Show ambassador. Ben's story is quite incredible. He's been through some very hard times. He has been incredibly generous to share these personal experiences.
I was homeless from 13 to 21, sleeping in parks, toilets. It was just finding places to sleep, finding places to keep warm, nicking blankets off clotheslines, clothes off clotheslines. Again, I had ways. I was never that homeless of going through bins and that sort of desperate need. I always found a way to get some money, whether it was obviously breaking the law.
His wish is that anyone going through their own hard times or wrestling with their own demons will find hope and maybe some inspiration through his work. And we're really excited to share some of Ben's amazing photography and video with you.